Hi guys, my name is Dharmesh and welcome to Hypertune. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how having Ultra Racing strut bars and anti-roll bar will improve your car's handling and driving dynamics. Alright, so I've been down to the Ultra Racing HQ in Taras and they've given me 3 bars to play with. Let's see what we got, right? Alright, we've got a rear strut bar and we've got the rear anti-roll bar. This is a 16mm piece. And thirdly, we've got a front strut bar that goes right underneath the hood. So there you have it guys, we've got 3 bars, the rear strut bar, the front strut bar and the 16mm rear anti-roll bar, and I'm going to be installing all these 3 bars over the next 4 episodes onto my Setria 1.6. So stay tuned guys, I'm going to be giving you all a walkthrough on the before and after effects and some basic input into how to install this by yourself rather than taking it to the mechanic. So let's have some fun guys, stay tuned.